What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's always a huge thanks for coming back. We really appreciate it. So today we're going to show you how we go from this, a whole bunch of bare steel, to this, a completed kit, or in this case, several kits. Now, before we get started, I want to let you guys know that we are going to be having a Black Friday sale. Actually, Black Friday through Cyber Monday, and the entire store is going to be on sale. Up to 20% off. And obviously our kits will also be on sale, and they're going to be on sale 15% off. Now, if you're thinking about getting a kit, this is the best time to do it. This is our biggest sale of the year. And as you can see, we worked our butts off to get inventory for Black Friday. And if you're early enough, you'll probably get your order within a week. We'll do our best to get all the orders out the week after Thanksgiving. Again, like I said, go to the website. It'll be on sale. And like I said, this is just the best time. We're super excited. Check out the store, blowingdiesel.com. We're super excited about this. Thank you guys for the support, and let's get to the video. Now, this isn't gonna be a super in-depth video of how we do the whole kit, but I kind of just want to show you guys an overview.
I don't think so. No, that was just the wood. Okay. Bring closer that way. Let me break it off.
Check it out, guys. Nothing but the best. Some pickled in oil steel. That is about 2,400 pounds of steel. And it is all 1/4 inch pickled in oil steel. So pretty much the best that we can use. So obviously we start with cutting everything on our Crossfire CNC plasma table. This thing has been an absolute lifesaver. This is our second table. This is the first one we had. This is the original Crossfire with the XL kit and the torch height control. And luckily this year we grew enough that we decided to buy a slightly bigger table. I get this asked a lot, how come we didn't get a full-size 4x8 table? And that's basically just because of size constraints. This fits really good in the garage, and it's enough to keep up with the demand. Now, hopefully next year we'll jump to a full-size 4x8 table. But for now, this is an amazing product. We're really happy with it. We've managed to set up everything properly. I've got my parameters cutting really good. It cuts fast, it cuts clean. We're super happy with it. Okay, so I almost forgot to record the rest of this video. So as you saw, we finished cutting everything on the table. You guys actually only saw like 5 minutes of it. But we've got everything cut from the table, and basically as soon as I cut everything, I take it to my prep little area, which for now it's my old Crossfire. I gotta get this thing cleaned up and sold. But anyways, they basically come out looking like this, which doesn't look that good. So what I do is I take it to this little magnetic chuck. We throw it on there. We then take the little like burrs and stuff like that off with this thing first. Take all that off. Once it's pretty decent like that, we hit it with this tool. And this tool is freaking awesome. This is a surface conditioning tool. They're freaking amazing for stuff like that. They take your steel from looking like this to looking like basically like this. And it's super easy with this steel because this is pickled and oiled. So this kind of steel doesn't have mill scale on it. So it's way easier to leave it looking nice and clean like that. And there's obviously a few benefits to that. Other than it looks really good, it's also easier to weld. So with steel, if it has mill scale, you want to grind that off and get to like nice clean steel. And even with this, you want to have it as clean as possible for the best welds that you can lay. And I'll show you here in a bit, basically all of the finished parts that we prepped for this Black Friday. Again, we're super excited for that sale. Don't forget, blowingdiesel.com. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this tool works. Again, it's super freaking cool. I love it. I've had it already for almost a month, and it's way easier than using the grinder to prep the surface of the metal you're cleaning. So yeah, I'll show you that real quick. I'll show you some bending, and then we'll finish this off at the welding table. Okay, and this is basically what we end up with once we're done with the surfacing tool. Again, they look super nice and they're basically ready for welding. Again, this step's super important, and I'm definitely glad that I found this tool because again, it gives the whole finish a super nice it gives the surface a super nice finish. And then like I said, I go from here, I mark my measurement to where I want to bend it. And then this is my bending setup. Nothing high-tech at all whatsoever, but it works. So this thing basically, it just takes longer to bend, but if you know how to use it, if you measure right, you'll get nice square bends every time. Eventually one day we'll upgrade to something way better, but for now, this thing has been doing the job for over a year. And it's basically just a Harbor Freight 20-ton shop press with an air over hydraulic jack, also from Harbor Freight, and then we got the swag finger brake. Again, nothing expensive at all, super low tech, but it works. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do to get the job done, and that's what it takes right now. And again, we've made so many kits with this setup, and honestly, I'm so happy with it. I mean, swag built a hell of a product. Okay guys, so again, it totally blew it and forgot to take any video of me actually bending these things. But once they get bent, they basically look like this, did the Z. And then I bend the whole batch, then I bring it back. So this is basically my station. This is where I prep everything, tack everything together. And that is what we've done right here. I've tacked these caps on all of these. And the way that I like doing things is, well, obviously cut everything, clean it, prep it, bend it, all that stuff. And I try and tack everything. And that way we get ahead of him, which I'll introduce you to him here in a little bit. He has been helping me on the weekends, weld all of this stuff together. Because basically it takes me all week to get to this point. Like I gotta spend a couple of days cutting everything, then cleaning and prepping, and getting ahead of him by getting everything tacked. Then he comes on the weekends, he helps me weld. While he's welding, I'm prepping and cleaning and tacking everything together to basically keep him welding the whole time he's here. And again, I've known him for a while. He's one of the better welders that I know, one of the best. And I'll show you what he does. Actually, he's welding right now, so let's go check it out. There we go. That's a beautiful looking weld. So anyways, this is my friend, Jose. Yo, say hi. Anyways, he's been helping me out for the past, I think maybe 2 months. And it's greatly increased my ability to make these kits, which is awesome. This is what we've got that I will have in stock for Black Friday. Okay guys, and that is more or less kind of what we do, how we build these kits. Like I said, it wasn't super in depth. If you guys ever do want to watch a video like that, let me know and I'll try to make something a little bit better. But again, I didn't want to make this video super long. And more than anything, I wanted to get the word out to you guys to get ready for the Black Friday through Cyber Monday sale. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the entire store, blowingdiesel.com, will be on sale. So don't forget to check it out. Again, all of these beautiful kits will be on sale. Anyways, I'm going to leave you with a quick little video of some welding, some stuff like that. Yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Again, leave a like, leave any comments down below if you have any questions whatsoever. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.